examples for Koni method to understand. All right, so now let's say here this is okay here what I did is here, let's say this is okay, let's say this is Z, this is O, let's say this is O, origin only. Now I rotated through an angle pi by 2. Now I came to Z dash. So then I have to find out Z dash. I have to find out Z dash. So now question is find out Z dash. So here what I can do is I can simply, this is one vector, this is another vector I can take. Here what I can do, final vector is what? Z dash. Just a minute. Z dash minus 0. This is final vector. By initial vector is Z dash. Z. Okay, this equal to, actually this only I rotate right side. That means this equal to this. Both magnitude is same. Modulus of Z dash by Z into e to the power of I pi by 2. I pi by 2. So Z dash by Z equal to, this is mod Z dash equal to, this both are same. This both are equal. Magnitude is same. This and this gets cancelled. E to the power of I pi by 2. I pi by 2 means what? Cos pi by 2. Oh, sorry, this is okay, all right. So this is what is Z dash by Z equal to IZ you get. Z dash by Z equal to mod of Z dash by Z, that is 1 only, because I said this both are equal. So now, okay, like that. So now let's take equilateral triangle. If you take equilateral triangle, you may understand better. So let's say this is equilateral triangle with sides ABC. And this is no, let Z1, this is Z2, and this is Z3. All right, so this is what is 60 degrees, pi by 3. This is also 60 degrees, and this is also 60 degrees. So now what I can write here is according to our definition. So if I take this, this is final vector, this is initial vector, anti-clockwise direction I am moving. So now final vector is what? Z3 minus Z, AC, right? AC, final vector is AC, understand? If I rotate like this anti-clockwise direction, this is final vector is AC, that is Z3 minus Z1 by Z3 minus Z1 by, this is what? Z2 minus Z1 equal to what I told, modulus of Z3 minus Z1 by modulus of Z2 minus Z1 into e to the power of I pi by 3. This is equal. Why? Because its magnitude is same. Equal triangle. Magnitude of AC, magnitude of AB is same. Okay, so this is what I can write. Similarly, what I can write is, similarly I can write like this, Z3 minus Z1 by Z2 minus Z1 I wrote. Z3 minus Z1 by Z2 minus e to the power of 5 pi by 3 I wrote. This is one. And also next, similarly, if I take this vector and this vector, these two vectors I am taking. Okay, what is that final vector I am taking? A, this is A, this is BA and BC. BA is the final vector, understand, this is pi by 3. We are rotating like this anti-clockwise direction. So you should take anti-clockwise direction, then BA is the final vector. So now BA, and that means BA means what? Z1 minus Z2. Initial vector is what? Initial vector is CB, no? BC, no? C minus B, that is Z3 minus Z2, equal to also same thing, e to the power of 5 pi by 3. These two are equal. Not only that, final also another thing you can write. What is that? This final vector is, this is the final vector. This is the final vector. This is initial vector. Try to understand. It's a final vector. What is the final vector? CB. CB is the final vector. That is Z2 minus Z3 by, what is the initial vector here? Initial vector is Z1 minus Z3. So these three are equal. This equal to this equal to this one. You can understand. This is a Koni method, and very important one derivation will come here. So you can equate any three, you can equate, or any two you can equate. So anyway, these two you will equate. Other two also you can equate. These two also you can equate, or these two also you can equate. I am equating these two because directly it is there here. So here Z1 minus Z2 into Z1 minus Z3 equal to what do I get? Z2 minus Z3 into Z3 minus Z2. Okay, so here this is one Z1 square. understand z1 square, this is minus z1 z3 minus z2 z1 plus z2 z3, and here if at all you see z2 minus z3 here z, so minus if I take common, this is z2 minus z3 whole square. Okay, so what I can write here, this one I can write as, yeah, so this one what I can write, I can write as minus z1 z2 square minus z2 square minus, just a minute, so okay, all right, here minus z2 square minus z3 square minus 2ab, but here minus is there, plus 2z2 z3 is there. Okay, z2 z3 is here also. So finally here result, if I am writing here only because you can see here clearly, so z1 square plus z2 square, if you bring this side, no, z1 square plus z2 square plus z3 square, z3 square, see z1 square plus z2 square plus z3 square equal to what do I get, z1 z2 is there, z2 z2 z3 is there, z3 z1 is there, but here if this goes this side, z1 z2 z3 gets cancelled, here one more z2 z3 is left. So what I have, this equal to z1 z2 plus z2 z3 plus z3 z1 you have. Okay, this is what is the conclusion you get. That means if AB, if z1 z2 z3 are the vertices, then what is the condition, z1 square plus z2 square plus z3 square equal to z1 z2 plus z2 z3 plus z3 z1 you get. This is the conclusion. So this is very important one. Okay, hope you understand this one. Okay, so Koni method again. So let's take now here, let's take a, see here, let's take one isosceles right angle triangle. Okay, isosceles right angle triangle. So now let's take, this is z1, this is z1 z2 z3, let's take like this z1 z2 z3, then let's find out condition. Isosceles right angle triangle means this is right angle and this is equal to this. So now we rotate, always we have to take like this, anti-clockwise direction is what we have to take the rotation, anti-clockwise direction. So now what is the final vector? So what is the condition? Final vector by initial vector equal to modulus of final vector by initial vector into e to the power of I into theta. Theta is included angle. This is pi by 2. So what is the final vector? This is no where you started here, anti-clockwise direction rotation. No? So where you started here, no. So this final vector is here. What is that? Z1 minus Z2. No, OB minus OA you say no in vectors. Oh, this is no. This is Z2 Z1 means Z1 minus Z2. So Z1 minus Z2. Okay, OB minus OA like that. So this is what is this is Z3 minus Z2 equal to now modulus of Z1 minus Z2 by modulus of Z3 minus Z2 into e to the power of 5 pi by 2 gets cancelled. Now this becomes what, Z1 minus Z2 by Z3 minus Z2 equal to e to the power of 5 pi by 2. E to the power of 5 pi by 2 means I. So this is Z1 minus Z2 whole square equal to I square into Z3 minus Z2 whole square. So what you get here, Z1 minus Z2 whole square, my square is minus 1 plus Z3 minus Z2 whole square equal to 0. This is what is the condition. If you want more elaborately, then also you can do it. Z1 square plus Z2 square minus 2 Z1 Z2, okay, plus Z2 square plus Z3 square minus 2 Z2 Z3 equal to 0. Okay, this is what you get is Z1 square plus Z2 square, 2Z2 square, sorry, plus Z3 square equal to twice. You can take Z2 common, Z1 plus Z3. This is the condition you get. Okay, this is the condition you get. Okay, so all right. So then I will give you another example also, another example for the problem. Okay, in a So okay, in a triangle like this, triangle is like this. Okay, triangle is like this. Yes, triangle is like this, and here, let's say this is triangle is like this, and like this here, this is, let's say this is origin. This is let's say this is 2i plus 3. Okay, this is we need to find out. This is some z, and this is angle of rotation is some 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Okay, angle of rotation is 30 degrees. Okay, and also I'm going to give you that I'll give you this thing is that this modulus is already there. This modulus is I'm giving this length is some 2. Okay, length of OZ is 2 I gave. So your final vector, what is the final vector? Z minus O, Z minus 0. That is, what is the initial vector? 2i plus 3 minus 0. This is equal to mod Z by mod of 2i plus 3 into e power I pi by 6. This is what, to find out Z is like this. Z equal to mod Z is 2 by, this is, what is this under root of, that is 4 plus 9 into e to the power of I pi by 2. E to the power of I pi by 2 means, you know, cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 into this is 2i, 3 plus 2i. That 3 plus 2i brought this side. This is what is your required vector. 2 gets cancelled here. 1 by root 13 into the required vector is root 3 plus I times 3 plus 2i. If you do this one, then you get the answer. So 1 by root 13 into whatever this one. 3 root 3, then minus 2 plus I if I take common, root 3 plus 2i. So 2 root 3i, 2 root 3i plus 3i. So 2 root 3 plus 3i. So this is what is your answer. What is this? Z is like this. You can find out Z like that. Okay. So 54th question, please see. Yeah. Yeah. If magnitude of a complex number 4 minus 3i is tripled and is rotated by an angle pi anticlockwise, then resulting complex number would be. Okay, here magnitude of a complex number 4 minus 3i is tripled. Okay, now we are so 4 minus 3i, wherever it may be. So let's say this is origin, this is 4, this is 4, and minus 3i is maybe here. 4 minus 3i is maybe here. So like this, 4 minus 3i may be here. So what he did, see, magnitude of a complex number is tripled. Magnitude is tripled. That means this is 1 unit. So this is tripled. 1. So this is tripled like this. Magnitude is tripled. And then what happened? And is rotated by an angle pi. So rotated by an angle pi means this much. Pi rotated. Okay. Magnitude is tripled and it is rotated like this. So maybe here. So then resulting complex number would be. What is the result? So now question I see what I said is, this is what I said. This is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. And this is 3 units. Understand? This is 3 units. Understand? So now what I am saying is final vector. So now it is rotated pi angle pi. So what is the final vector here? This is the initial vector. This is final vector. What is the final vector? Let's say this is a final. This is O. Okay. This is let's say this is some A. This is, let's say, B. Then OB is the final vector. Na? OB is the final vector. By initial vector is OA equal to mod OB by mod OA into e to the power of I pi. Right? So OB, right? OB equal to what here? Now OA is there. That OA vector only. OB is what? 3. 3 times OA. 3 times OA. Right? OB is 3 times OA. All right, 3 times OA, 3 times mod OA by OA into e power I pi cos pi minus 1 plus I sin pi sunna. So what you get here? OB equal to what you are going to get is it gets cancelled. So OA I didn't write now. OA, okay, right. OA will write now. So 3 times minus 3 times OA. OA is what here? 4 minus 3i. So now OB equal to what you're going to get is minus 12 plus 9i. So now B vector, now resulting complex number B equal to what? This one. The vector form I wrote, OB is what is vector I wrote. But this B, so resulting vector will be minus 12 plus 9i. So minus 12 plus 9i, A, option A.